kids' science experiments. They're gonna do them right alongside me on Zoom. Here's a peek of what we did. This is a fun science experiment, but it's an experiment you have to practice. Danger! Learn how to make this ping pong ball float in midair. 2 words you've never heard before: potential energy and kinetic energy. 3. We did it! My coin went flying off to the side too. It looks like it's working for everybody. Everybody take out your playing card. Yeah. And we're also going to need a pencil. This is what happened to mine. Remember how big it was? You can look, you can listen, you can smell, you can taste, you can touch. We've got some other crazy things to do today. We use the olive oil, the water, the food coloring, and the secret ingredients with their fingers, right? The whack, the whack, the whack, the whack. Then you see, a magnet has an invisible force. It can either push or it can pull. I want you to cut off the flap of the bag, and we're putting friction on the end, sliding 1/2 back and forth. You'll need a bendy straw for this one and a ping pong ball. Science is asking questions, doing experiments, and trying to find an answer. Into the bottle. You can see what happens. It's working. It's working. I see Abigail's got it going. I see Adina's got it going. I see Shayna, you're making it happen. And if I wave the orange over the balloon, I want you to watch very carefully what happens. Watch, 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 watch. I learned my science experiments by checking out a book from the library. It's so cool. Again, coffee cup, ribbon, and some keys. Watch what happens. I can do this for you too. Click the link, give me a call, and you can put this on your calendar.